Are you concerned about your personal information being accessible to anyone with a few clicks? Worried about the potential risks and consequences of having your data readily available online? Well, fret no more. In this step-by-step BeenVerified opt-out guide, we'll show you how to take back control of your privacy. Whether it's protecting yourself from stalkers or safeguarding against identity theft, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to reclaim your peace of mind. Don't let your personal information fall into the wrong hands. Join us as we unravel the secrets behind an effective BeenVerified opt-out process that puts you in charge. BeenVerified is a popular online background check service that allows users to search for public records, such as criminal records, court cases, and personal information. While this may seem like a useful tool for finding information about others, it also raises concerns about personal privacy. In today's digital age, the issue of privacy has become increasingly important. More and more of our personal information is being shared and made easily accessible. This includes not only our basic contact information, but also sensitive details such as financial records, employment history, and even medical records. One of the main reasons why privacy is crucial in today's world is because it helps protect us from identity theft. Identity theft occurs when someone gains unauthorized access to your personal information and uses it for fraudulent purposes. This can have devastating consequences on your finances, credit score, and overall well-being. Another reason why privacy matters is because it allows us to maintain control over our own lives. When we share too much personal information online or through services like BeenVerified, we are essentially giving up some of that control. Our data can be used by companies for targeted advertising or sold to third parties without our knowledge or consent. Furthermore, in an age where cyber attacks and data breaches are becoming increasingly common, protecting our privacy has never been more important. By limiting the amount of personal information available about us online, we decrease the chances of becoming a target. BeenVerified collects and aggregates personal information from various public sources, including names, addresses, phone numbers, and more. The website claims to provide users with access to accurate and up-to-date information about individuals. However, the abundance of personal data available on BeenVerified can also raise concerns about privacy and security. With just a few clicks, anyone can easily find sensitive information about you without your knowledge or consent. It is important to understand what type of information is available on BeenVerified in order to make an informed decision about opting out. Now that you have decided to opt out of BeenVerified, the next step is to create an account on their website. Creating an account will give you more control over your personal information and make it easier for you to manage it in the future. Once you have an account, you can request for your personal information to be removed from BeenVerified's database. Prepare the required information, including your full name, current address, and any other previous addresses associated with your name. Visit the BeenVerified opt-out page and fill out the form with your details. Provide proof of identity to ensure that only you can request the removal of your personal data. Submit a formal opt-out request by writing an email or letter to BeenVerified, including all necessary information and documentation. Send your request to BeenVerified's official opt-out email address or physical mailing address. Once you have successfully completed the opt-out process, it's important to continue monitoring your information to ensure it does not reappear on the site. Set up Google Alerts and regularly check your social media profiles for any sensitive information that may have been made public. Remember, your privacy matters. Take control of your personal information and protect yourself from potential risks.